wow, I look very bald. With this toque on. Alright, we have the dog, Frankie, obviously up to no good back there. And this is what dating, this is what a date night is now, is literally take the dog, oh hi Frankie, is take the dog and go cruise around and look for potential houses. Welcome to Corona. I'm shocked that you're not in the garage.
Yeah. A little lazy today.
Oh, there you go. First-hand news. Look how cute that dog is, though. She's a cute dog. She sits so good now. Camera's on, she's so well behaved. Camera off, she's a nightmare. Alright, you guys, I am inventing a new recipe again today. While Dan eats soup. And doesn't work in the garage. He deserves a break every now and again. So, what I am envisioning in my head for this new dish, also look at my new hat. Dan's parents got it for me because I'm a dog mom. But what I'm envisioning for this new dish is like a chicken wrapped in phyllo with like onions and like garlic and whatever else I can find in the fridge because it's too cold to go to the store. So I'm going to start this process by again hiding these boxes so that you can't see them. But I'm going to start the process by, I want us to like slow cook the chicken in chicken broth and kind of make it like a shredded chicken. And I'm going to add lemon into the chicken broth. So we will see how that goes. Alright, first things first, we're going to just slice up some onion because I want some caramelized onion in there, but I also want it to like cook down with the chicken and the broth to give it nice and good flavors. Alright. Hi, Steve. Boom. Into the pan it goes. I'm going to cook these down with some butter. And I'll see you after. Alright, so I'm also going to use the last of my dill for this recipe. Look at these roots. That's nutsos. But I'll tell you what, having fresh dill has been a game changer in the old cookery life. I made, as Dan will enjoy this, I made dill dough the other day, which was bread dough with lots of dill in it. And I did dill pickle juice as well. Actually, I don't know if you can see this because it's all wrapped up, but this is my dill dough. You can see lots of bits of dill. So that's going to be a bread recipe I continue. But yeah, now I need to plant a new herb. Alright, so my onions are basically caramelized as much as I would like them to be. So I'm going to put my chicken right on top. I'll show you a little close-up later. And now I'm just going to cover everything with a whole lot of chicken broth. A little bit more. There's some snuggling issues happening over here. Alright, so basically I want the chicken broth to not totally cover the chicken, but pretty close. I got my onions in there. Here, I'll give you guys a close-up of what that looks like. Hi, Steve. So there you go. And now I'm going to cover it and let that cook until the chicken is shreddable. And I will add the lemon juice. I just have like a fresh lemon here. I already have sliced it in half. And then I'll squeeze these into it. And then we'll add dill when we're making it into the pastry. Alright, you guys, so we are at a point where our chicken is ready to be shredded, as you can see. So, I don't even think I showed it there. There you go. There you go. I did flip the chicken over, and I also covered it. I realized I didn't show you guys that. But I realized also that my last video was really long when I was making dinner. So I thought maybe just like you guys needed to see like the snapshots instead. But if you want the longer cooking video, let me know. I can do that. So yeah, I'm going to finish shredding up this chicken. And then we're going to add the lemon juice and the dill, and we're going to add garlic, and we're just going to let it all blend together for a little bit. Alright, so in goes my garlic, and I like to cheat with my garlic sometimes. These jars of just like the pre-chopped garlic are just so good. So there's probably like tablespoon in there. And then squeezing down lemon juice. And then I'm gonna stir in the dill. Ba-bam! So stir this all in. And then I'm gonna cover it back up. Not for too long, because I don't want all the juices to, I want it to like sit in its juices, and I don't want it all to evaporate. So I am going to cover it, and I'm probably going to cover it for about, maybe 5 minutes, just enough for the garlic to kind of cook a little bit and soften up. And then we're going to let our shredded chicken cool, and then it'll be time to wrap it in the phyllo. Exciting. Dog. Dog, 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 dog. Alright, we gotta move fast here. So I got my phyllo. I cut the sheets in half and covered with a damp cloth, because that's what it said to do on the box. But now it's just very wet, but it's supposed to make it easier to handle. Got my egg wash here to seal it all up. And my cool down chicken. So I guess let's just get her going, and we'll see how we do. So, whoop. Oh boy, we're already struggling. Okay, well, we're gonna try. So my thought here was to make it kind of like a pie. So I'm using 3 sheets of phyllo and then folding those in half, and then I'm going to use my damp paper towel again to cover the rest so it doesn't dry out. Okay, so now let's put in, try to drain off some of the juice here. I didn't want it to dry, but I don't want all the juice in. And basically, I'm just trying to make like a little pie. Now, I don't know if I should try to like triangle it or what. I did not think that far ahead. So let's maybe try like, let's try doing it like this first. Folding that. Oh, see, that doesn't look, that looks all right. Okay, put that on the pan. And let's try another iteration. Okay, I feel like that's, my cloth is a little too wet, but c'est la vie. Oh, look at that. 3 sheets right from the get-go. Whoop. Try to keep the dogs from eating it. All right. Now let's try doing it. If I wanted to make it like the little triangle thing, how would I do that? I think I'd fold this way. Wait, seal that in. Whoop. And then fold this way. And then seal. I feel like that's not really a triangle. That's just another weird shape. But we'll take it. Okay, I really want to, I guess maybe these aren't really square enough to do the triangles. The only thing that like worries me about phyllo is you gotta work kind of fast here. I wonder if I'm using too much phyllo. I feel like I'm not. Phyllo's pretty light. Why don't we try making like a cute little pouch or something with this one? If we do like that. My feel like I need to glue it all together, so I'll wet my hands here. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing! But that's kind of cute. Here, maybe if I egg wash it, it'll stay nice and tight for me. Alright, it's a little pouch. Oh my gosh. We'll see if this one makes it into the cookbook. Okay. Maybe I'll try, maybe it is too much phyllo. Maybe I'll try cutting it in half. Again. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. We're learning together. So I do like those little triangle things. If I had some feta cheese, I feel like this would be it. Alright. So, oops. So fold and fold. Nah, didn't quite go as planned, but we'll just call it another cute little pouch. I think we're gonna go with pouches. No, I like the little bulb we did. Let's try that again. We'll do that for the last one. Frankie, stop trying to get the chicken. We'll try the triangle one more time here. See if we can make it happen. We believe we can achieve, right? So, 1. And then 2. And then maybe fold that under 3. Oh, fold it under this way instead, maybe. Oh, no, chicken's popping out. Oh, boy. Well, that just looks like a little... Well, I don't know what that looks like. Oh, boy. All right. So let's do... this last one here. Then we're going to egg wash it. Ew, Steven, did you guys just hear that burp he did? My goodness. All right. Now, we're just gonna cobble this together. Hey, there we go. Good enough. I mean, let's be honest, like, I don't think any of us are mad at this. Use some egg wash to glue it together. Okay. Boom. Now, I'm going to finish egg washing these other ones. And then I'm going to pop these in the oven until the phyllo is nice and golden brown. Nice thing is that, you know, the chicken's already cooked, so you don't have to worry about salmonellas. All right. We'll see how this ends up. All right, you guys. Well, I mean, I'm not mad at these. They look pretty darn tasty. They're very hot right now, but, like, they're crispy. I can touch them all because we're eating them all. But, I mean, yeah, look at that. That looks pretty good. I definitely would... Ooh, this one's a little soggy. Put too much juice in it. But I would definitely, I think I would do these little, kind of bunny styles I tried. The triangle one actually turned out alright, too. That's not bad. These ones just look ugly, but I bet they will taste delicious. Well, there you go. That's this time. Oh, there's, like, dust all over this camera. phone? Whatever. Anyways, I'll think of a name to call these things eventually. But those are my little chicken filo pies. Try them, make them, let me know if you like it. So it's not really Dan eats if Dan doesn't eat, is it? Right now it's Dan installs motor. Engine? Oh, I never know what it is.
Badass big block?
Badass big block. How's it going? Don't you want to know what it is first?
Medium.
Get some of your hair in there?
Like a chicken hot pocket.
Kinda, yeah. I didn't really know how to do the filo, but it's like a little mini chicken pie. With lots of dill, because I know how you like dill.
I do like dill, though. That's pretty good. How many do you make?
I think there's 6.
2 tonight and 2 tomorrow.
Win. Alright, well there you go on this episode of Dan Eats, who doesn't like the title.
Makes me feel like a baddie. I'll be in shortly, finish it off.
Okay.